So right there, that's where we are going to unhook. Oops. Right there. So that's a 10 millimeter. We have 10 millimeter right here. We have 10 millimeter right here. So we're going to remove this one first. Well, let's loosen this one first. I'm gonna loosen that one. And for that, I'm going to use a deep socket. What I'm gonna try to do is I'm going to unhook that thing and pull it out all the way. So that's, hopefully that's enough. Yeah, it didn't hook. Right here. Alright, so now I need to loosen this. 10 millimeters also. And then we can go by hand. Here. I'm gonna put it on the side. Remove this whole thing. Put it away. And then I'm gonna proceed to loosen this. Go with the negative first. And for that I'm going to use a 10 millimeter wrench. You have the option to buy a memory save bin. This thing has a lot of rust. So I'm gonna put this napkin here just to kind of prevent this thing from hitting the port. Then I'm gonna loosen this other one, positive. Wow, that's not good. Now I should be able to remove the battery. Just pull it up. And here it is. That's the old one. Okay, so now let's get this thing up in there. So it goes like this. Let's put it in place. Before I do anything, before I hook up these things, I'm gonna put this thing back. So this is gonna go in there. There is like this show. There is this little thing here. There is a little thing here where this is gonna hook up like this. Well, this thing can be removed actually. So you can remove this thing. You wanna to kind of clean it up a little bit. You can do that. you're gonna probably brush the terminals. But yeah, so this thing, there is, you can focus there a little bit, there is like a hole where this thing is going to hook up, right there. So hopefully we'll do a good job on that. Okay, now I'm gonna place this back there. I want to put my battery in there. Be careful because this thing is kind of heavy. Now this thing, so it's gonna be like this. And you want to kind of clean this thing up like really nice. You should probably take the opportunity now that it is out. So now I'm gonna hook it up. It's hard to see here. And I think that, no, I don't have it. Okay, there it is. So I got it. So I'm gonna place it like this. Now while I tie this, I'm gonna kind of pull it up just so that the hook doesn't get out of the hole. So start getting it tied, because remember, oh, see, it's out. Okay, there. Let's try one more time. Okay, I'm gonna try it right there. Now, this one, oops. Back it up a little bit. And this one. Remember, these are all 10 millimeters. For that I need the deep socket. Okay, so probably good right there. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of, it's probably better if you do this before you put the battery in. Kind of brush these terminals. This is kind of messy. Hopefully that will do it. Now remove the cover from the post. Put that in there, tie it up. You can buy, and I should probably get some some of those anti-corrosion pads. I'll probably get some and then I show you how to install them. There's also grease. As you can see, this nut is kind of rusty. Let's hope that this doesn't give us any issues. Oh, yeah. Kind of loose. So hopefully it's gonna be tight enough. Yeah. Okay, so let's try this out. The car, I should be able to turn the car on, the engine on, without any issues. So there is a brand new battery. Alright, thank you. And well, as part of the battery replacement, yeah, I believe that you lose some memories, some information, like so we lost that. That is not really important. What I'm going to see is if I lost the my maintenance schedule that I had set. Let's see, engine oil, because I changed the oil myself. So I have 4,642 miles to go by April 1st, 2021. That's correct, so I didn't lose that. The tire rotation, wow, I have 218 more miles to go. I don't have a date, but because I got the tires from Costco, so with Costco is every 7,000 miles that we need to do the rotation, and it has to be with them. So Costco has to do the rotation, otherwise the tire warranty becomes invalid, and we don't want that, right? All right, thank you very much.